What's up everybody, it's your boy Chubbs. If you guys already subscribed to my channel, welcome back. If you're new, I'm Chubbs, or you can call me Big O Chubbs, whatever you like. I just have one thing to ask you guys before we start this video. When was the last time you did something for someone else? A couple days ago, I seen a post of a little boy named Nicholas. Well, today is his 6th birthday. His mother wanted to set up a drive-by so as many cars, many trucks, many vehicles as possible can pass by and say happy birthday to him. Well, Nicholas is a cancer patient with brain cancer, so this could possibly be his last birthday. And me reading all this, there isn't much I could do as a single person. I don't have all the money in the world. I don't have much to give, but I do have my filming business and my YouTube, so I wanted to create a cruise to bring out as many trucks as we can for this little boy and to put a smile on his face. So I just want to see a smile on this kid's face. And everybody that went, since you're watching this after it happened, I appreciate every single one of you guys. This is what Big O Crew stands for, just one big community coming together as one big family to all support one thing, to share our passions, to, you know, just to come together and bring peace in the community. And enough of all that hate. We need to do things for each other and for other people. So I created this cruise to put a smile on Nicholas's face. So let's go, guys.
Chelas frías en el coche con los camaradas, siempre contento con plebada.
What is up everybody, it's your boy Chubbs. Welcome back to another video. Alright, sorry I haven't posted in a while. Things have been, but right now we're gonna take the giveaway truck out and replace the rear shocks like If you guys paid attention to the last video, I centered pretty hard, so I kind of messed up the rear shocks. Because turns out it was the wrong shocks after all, so that's why they got messed up. I don't know how it was the wrong shocks if they were drop shocks, but pretty much we need shorter shocks, and because these weren't short enough, I messed them up and doing a little pull. I wish I recorded that pull, man. This thing was about to get sideways. Yeah, so we're gonna go pick up those shocks and then head out to Moreno Valley so the homie Chinito Drops can install them for us. And I'm still waiting for the radiator on this truck. It hasn't arrived and they haven't really responded to me either. What time it would be here, what day. And oh yeah, I'm doing shirts now, so if you guys need any shirts, hit me up. You wanna get your little business started? I got you guys, hit me up. All right guys, sorry this vlog is kind of everywhere. It's been like a super busy past almost 3 weeks. It is a new day. We didn't end up going to get the shocks that day because they were out of stock, but today they're back in stock. But before we go get the shocks and then get them installed, we're gonna head out to Dave's Auto Body because they have a Stepside bed that I want to check out and we might get installed on this truck there before we do the paint job. So, well, it's gonna get fixed at the same time it gets the paint job. But we're gonna go check that out. It is an OEM bed. So I want you guys to vote if you want me to leave this truck fleet side or turn it into a step side. You guys let me know. This is your choice. Here we are at Dave's Auto Body, guys. We got another single cab over there. That one's a step side also. Yeah. Let's see what they got going on.
You can straighten this out.
It's not bad, dude.
Just a little bit of work. And then just have a, I don't know, maybe like a guy that does like floor and bumper. Cause you know because you know how the bumper's shorter.
Yeah.
So that's all you need, unless you do a roll pan.
People do. All right, guys. So here we got the Stepside bed with the side moldings. Everything's OEM, like I said. So pretty much he fixed this truck, bought a separate bed, fixed the truck, and then pretty much the parts that were a little beat up, took them out. So here's the bed, like I said. Just need some floor work, and then to install the sides, some work right there also. And then the side moldings, well, the side of the bed, they're not bad, guys. It's nothing that Dave's Auto Body can't fix. I've seen them work some freaking miracles with cracks and fucking the hole that was on my bed. But it looks like it's in good shape, guys. Look at that. Hell yeah. Let me know if I should do the step side or if I should keep it a fleet side. Put it down in the comments, guys. All right, guys, so we're here at Marky Drops' shop. We're gonna pick up the shocks and then head out to Chino Drops. Let's go. All right, guys, we're here at Chinito Drops' house. Chinito Customs. This is his truck. Oh yeah. This Chinito right here. Hit him up. But bless me with these shocks. Or one of you guys, whoever wins. He's the guy that did the C-notch.
Shows for the motherfucking winner, huh?
That's right. Alright guys, so we're almost home. He did the swap of the shocks. And honestly, man, these shocks feel great. I might start going with these shocks instead of the Beltec Nitro drop shocks. So hit up Marky Drops or Chinito Drops to buy some shocks or do a whole service with them or a whole drop or anything. These shocks put in work. But yeah, guys, I am no longer bouncing around. No more cut springs. Just kidding. But nah, The ride is smoother now. Don't even need shock extenders. We good. Quick little recap, guys. Truck is feeling great. Shocks are perfect. Next up, the radiator that we gotta, the actual good radiator we gotta install. Some tires and paint job. That's all we need, guys. That's pretty much all that's left. And then it's gonna be ready for one of you guys. There's small little things here and there that I need to fix to get it ready for you guys, including the smog. Yeah, I know it's gonna pass smog. It should be good. Other than that, truck's looking great, guys. Hopefully you guys are liking how it's coming out, how the drop is, the stuff I'm putting in it. Interior is gonna stay completely stock. It's just gonna get cleaned up. I'm gonna leave that up to whoever wins it, so they could put the interior however they like, include a sound system or whatever. This truck, pretty much, I didn't want to do too much to it. I just wanted to make it look decent enough and the paint to be good to get to one of you guys, and then you guys build it. So yeah, guys, hopefully you guys are enjoying this. Don't forget, comment what bed we should put on the truck. Should we leave the fleet side, or should we do the Stepside bed that Dave's Auto Body has? Put it down in the comments, preferably. Me, I'm more of a fleet side, but I've been wanting a step side lately. I'm either or. I like both, but you guys tell me what you guys would prefer to see on this truck. One more thing before we end this video, stay tuned for the flip kit giveaway. It'll be coming up soon. Sorry I've been lagging on it. I've been super busy. Everything's on fire over here in California. The air quality is terrible. All you smell is ash and burning once you go outside, so it's pretty unsafe to be out here. And the past probably like 3 weeks, it's been 95 to 115 degrees here in Southern California. For any of you guys that live near the fires, even if you don't live near the fires, we're still being affected. Be safe. I'm not sure if any of them are put out yet, but just be safe. Try not to breathe any of this air, because it could be very dangerous in the long run. Hope you guys are being safe. Hopefully you guys are healthy and not sick. You guys know from what. I hope you guys are being safe. Thank you everybody for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Peace out everybody. TCB. Don't forget to get your entries in to win this baby right here.